All right, this is making money and saving money with Sharon. I got another nice little app that I want to tell you about. Um, this one is a little different because it's Zap Surveys. It's free to join. And what I like about this one is they have bonuses on a lot of things that you do. Like you log in, it's a login bonus. And then it's a daily bonus. Then they have you do so many surveys, you get a bonus. And yeah, and then they also have if you turn in the location in your on your phone, they got a bonus like if you pass so many Walmarts or you pass so many Dollar Generals or whatever, and all you have to do is click it and you get paid. It's not, but it adds up. It really adds up. Now, I just started over on this app, and this is just you spare a little money, but this money it adds up. Especially you sitting around looking at TV or just sitting around. Why do you want you sit around and make some little extra money? Hey, and this is not you just sitting around chilling in your house and making a little extra money. Nothing wrong with that. So, this app I just started over. Right now, my cash out is at $10. I don't know if they got it at $10 for everybody or just for me, but my cash out was at 10, so I cashed out. I'm starting over now, and so I'm at 268. And like I said, you see there about the daily where I'm at. You see the log in where I'm at, and then you see the surveys. And the what's so great, like I said, they always have bonuses, and then they have a bonus where they would just they said they double the payment. Wherever they usually pay on the surveys, they'll double it, and you have to do the surveys in 24 hours. And you never know what day they're going to do with that. The only thing I could say about it, when they do it, I promise you, it's usually on a day that I have something to do. I promise you they do. I don't know why, but especially if they pick a Friday or something like that.